Hi, and welcome to another episode of John's Motorcycle Rescue and Review. Today we'll be installing Delkevic's full stainless exhaust system on a 1983 Suzuki GS1100GL. All right, well, here the pipe is installed. This is Delkevic's stainless full exhaust with the classic megaphone baffle for the 1983 Suzuki GS1100GL. So, as you can see, I have started it and run it. It seems to be perfectly suited for the jetting that I have, and but I'm going to let you hear it first, and then we'll do a ride video here in a little bit. As you can see and hear, it's got a deeper tone than the original exhaust, and I'll rev it up a little bit here just so you can get the sound of it. So sounds great, and I will do a ride video here and let you hear it on the road and under load. Catch you soon.